Okay, you're looking straight at it. The gas valve is in the off position. Not real easy to see there, but it is in the off position. It's kind of a gotcha answer on this one, but it's happened to me many times that people have shut off everything. You come in there, they've had a problem with the furnace, they shut off the breaker, they shut off the switch, they shut off the gas valve, they shut off the gas cock and the thermostat, everything they can, because they're afraid something's going to happen. So sometimes you'll run into one that drives you nuts, but it's the simplest thing in the world. The gas valve was in the off position.